Provida Inicial en General no Technique Professional Shiranere representa la idade. No Ihaftur, Lo Shiranere Imirashik Design no Construir Sei Haraishi Timor Leste Maida Yaza Hamutuk Mehi idade. Maida Hamutuk Baftur. Obrigado.
Thank you very much, Mr. Fumo. Next, I'd like to have a camera remark by Mr. Fumo, President and CEO of Tsuneishi Shipbuilding. Time, please come to the stage.
Good morning, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sachio Okumura, President and CEO of Tsuneishi Shipbuilding. Thank you very much for your precious time to attend the third batch welcoming ceremony of Tsuneishi small ship today. On behalf of the Tsuneishi Shipbuilding from Japan, I would like to express my most sincere gratitude to His Excellency President of Sosial, Ramos Horta, and to His Excellency Ambassador Yamamoto of Japan, as well as our honored guests for your presence and continuous support. I would also like to extend my deep appreciation to the professors of the National University of Timor-Leste and all stakeholders for your invaluable cooperation. In particular, I still vividly and fondly remember the great honor of personally welcoming His Excellency President Ramos Horta during your memorable visit to our headquarters in Hiroshima, Japan last year. Following our wonderful meeting in my home country, it brings me boundless joy and sense of profound destiny to now visit this beautiful world of Timor-Leste and to be united with your Excellency today. We have recruited many talented individuals in this country since 2024. And we have also welcomed them to Japan for technical training. Over the past 3 years, a total of 79 Timorese people have become an integral part of our family. I hold immensely high expectation for each of your from Timor-Leste to contribute to the future growth and success of the Tsuneishi Group. To our new employees, you proudly serve as the third batch of the TTS Design Department, an initiative that successfully began in 2024. An ocean of endless possibility lies ahead of you. At times, you may encounter difficulties, but please remember that your global colleagues in Japan, the Philippines, and China will always stand behind you, supporting your journey. Keeping our core corporate keyword, challenge, close to your hearts. Do not fear mistakes. Embrace your high aspirations and let us work well together, step by step, with your colleagues at TTS and with all of us. In closing, I would like to wish for the brilliant future of Timor-Leste, the continuous success of TTS, and the good health of everyone present here today. My fellow Hamtuba too.
Thank you very much for Mr. Fumura. Next, I would like to have introduction of the new employers. Mr. Hugo, please come to the stage.
Flaviana Marian Leon Moreira. Romelio Roberto Monteiro. Abraham Afonso Rangel. Goribaldo Henry Rafael Pereira Fernandes de Araujo. Ronaldo Pineda. Esperanza de Jesus Paredes. José Filomeno Adilson da Silva Ribeiro. Milito da Costa. Canigio Suárez de Araujo Carvalho. Prudencio de Jesus Suárez. Lolita Andra da Silva. Lilia Pinago da Silva Reis. Domingos Guterres Rodriguez. Cristiano Maureco da Silva Soares.